Sample problem 10-01. A block is placed on a rotating disk and moves in a circular path. The disks have the same rotation rate in each case, but the masses of the block and their distances from the center varies. So the statement about same rotation rate really means same omega. We know that for the block to go in a circle, there must be a centripetal force on it, which is coming from the frictional force. So when they want us to rank the magnitude of the frictional force, they really want us to rank the centripetal force, which we know is mv squared over r. But we know that v is r omega for anything. And so we also get that this is m omega squared r. And we see that omega is the same, so the frictional forces will be ranked according to the product of m times r. If we go up to the figure, we can see m times r here is 12, and this is also 12, this is only 5, and this is 10. So the answer would be A is equal to B, and they are greater than greater than D, which is greater than C.